Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Azure Event Grid. Azure Event Grid is a fully managed event routing service that simplifies event-driven application development. It helps you build reactive and scalable solutions by delivering events from various sources to different destinations. Imagine a system where actions trigger immediate responses across your applications. Event Grid handles event delivery at massive scale, ensuring your applications can react to changes in real time. It supports over a dozen Azure services and custom event sources, making it incredibly versatile for modern cloud architectures. Understanding the core components of Event Grid is crucial for effective use. Event sources are where events originate, like a storage account or a custom application. Event topics are the endpoints where these sources send their events, acting as a central hub. Event subscriptions then define which events from a topic should be routed to specific event handlers. Finally, event handlers are the services or applications that process these events, such as an Azure function or a Logic app. This structured approach ensures efficient event delivery. Let's walk through creating a custom Event Grid topic. First, navigate to the Azure portal and search for Event Grid topics. Click Create and provide a unique name for your topic, along with selecting an appropriate resource group and region. This custom topic will serve as the central point for all your application's events. It's like setting up a dedicated mailbox for specific types of messages. Once created, this topic is ready to receive events from your chosen sources, preparing for the next step of connecting handlers. Now, let's connect an event handler by creating an event subscription. From your custom topic, click Add Event Subscription. Here, you'll choose an endpoint type, such as an Azure function, a webhook, or a storage queue, which will process the events. You can also apply powerful filters to ensure only specific event types or subjects are delivered, saving processing power. This step effectively links your event source to its destination, completing the event flow and enabling your applications to react dynamically to changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.